Hi friends, welcome once again to my channel and also to my food forest. Today I'm going to show you how in the summer days we are providing water for the birds, because birds are an integral part of our food forest. We coexist. There are so many beautiful kinds of birds here. So it's our duty to give them water in this hot summer days. So I'm going to show you how we use bamboos to feed them water. This is the way how we make the bamboo containers to feed the birds with water. So you have to take in between the nodes. So bamboo has got the nodes. So we have to cut in between the nodes so that this side is blocked by the node, this side is also blocked by the node. So the weather is doing that. So we cut it, remove this top part, and then we make like this can be, we can put some sticks or we can tie a rope here and put water and feed it. Very simple. So this is another use of bamboo where we coexist with the birds by giving them water in this hot summer days.